Welcome to the most crucial lesson in understanding artificial intelligence, the difference between good data and bad data. Here's the hard truth. Bad data equals terrible AI, even if you have the most perfect, bug-free code in the world. AI is only as smart as the data you feed it. By the end of this video, you will instantly be able to spot the 4 deadly data quality killers in any dataset, helping you build truly smart AI. When we talk about bad data, we're usually talking about one of these 4 quality problems. Let's break them down one by one. First up is missing data. This is simply empty slots in your spreadsheet. Imagine training an AI to predict house prices, but half the entries are missing the quote square footage. The AI can't learn accurately if the key information is absent. Next is duplicates. If the same record appears multiple times, the AI counts it multiple times. For example, if a list of product reviews includes the same 5-star review twice, the AI thinks the product is far more popular than it really is. It double counts the enthusiasm. Third, we have wrong formats or inconsistency. AI is a stickler for rules. If you tell it to read dates, but sometimes the date is, quote, January 1st, 2024, and other times it's the 1st of January 24, the AI can't process it correctly. This messy input turns into computational chaos. Finally, the most insidious problem, bias. This is when your data heavily favors one group over others. If you train a hiring AI only on data from male engineers, the AI will learn to undervalue female candidates, even if it wasn't programmed to. The data itself is a skewed mirror of reality. These aren't just theoretical problems. Bad data can lead to massive, real-world disasters. Let's look at the Zillow AI failure. Zillow created an AI called iBuying to instantly purchase houses, hoping to flip them for a profit. They gave the AI mountains of data on past sales and market trends. The problem? Their data was inconsistent, messy, and biased, often overvaluing houses. The AI bought thousands of homes at inflated prices. Zillow had to shut down the program and lost hundreds of millions of dollars, all because of bad data. So how do we prevent our AI from going the way of Zillow? We clean the data. Here is your essential data cleaning checklist. First, fill missing data, either with an average or a placeholder. Second, remove all duplicates. Third, standardize all formats, making sure dates and units are consistent. And fourth, critically, check for and mitigate bias by ensuring fair representation. To wrap up, remember these 4 data quality killers: missing data, duplicates, wrong formats, and bias. Avoid these, and your AI projects stand a chance. Now, for your action step. Open any spreadsheet on your computer. Your budget, a client list, anything. Find 3 examples of missing data, duplicates, or inconsistent formats. Start training your eye to see the flaws, and you're already ahead of the game. Next time, we're going to look at where all this data comes from in the first place. Tune in for video 16, How Companies Collect Data. Thanks for watching.